What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we need to continue off from where we left off yesterday. I don't know if you guys remember, but we had some pretty nutty market movements as of yesterday. So supposedly the SEC has appealed the XRP Ripple trial, which caused the market to go into a state of shock, specifically XRP. And we dumped. I literally mean we dumped. Huge drop in XRP. Now, we knew XRP was due for a correction, but we didn't know it was going to be to the extent that we saw. You know, we had this little run up, and then we had this little run down, and we thought we would just end it right here. No, we just dumped to the downside here so low that we kind of got caught up on the support. And I'm actually starting to see on the daily, maybe I can include this. Maybe this is actually more accurate how it is now than it was before. Even this small adjustment to the bottom support, we still have 1, 2, 3 points of confirmation. I actually kind of like the way this looks here. This might actually be that bottom support that we're looking for. Even with this correction here, we're still inside the daily symmetrical triangle. And as we start to piece this together, there's a good chance we will have some light at the end of the tunnel. So I am excited to go over XRP's chart with you. We're also going to look at a lot of these other cryptocurrencies. I think the majority of this destruction is over. The correction is over. A lot of these cryptos have fallen quite substantially, but I do think we might have reached a bottom here. So we will be looking at XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and then the stock market, which is holding on for dear life, the support here. And I think the longer it holds that, you can see we're slowly moving from 57 down to 54. And the longer it stays there and stays above support here, the bigger the chances are we have of recovery and reversal to the upside. So I'm curious to see where this does decide to take us. We'll find out later on, probably into next week. But happy Friday. So lots of things to talk about. With that being said, though, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. Now, remember, guys, before we dive into the technical analysis here, BYDFI is doing a $300 exclusive promotion. Multiple ways to earn free bonus money here. Signing up gets you free $50. Depositing gets you a free $50. Trading gets you a free $100. And completing KYC gets you another additional $100. So $300 in free rewards by literally doing simple tasks. 3 out of the 4, I think, require no money involved. Signing up, trading, or I guess trading maybe, but signing up and depositing and what is the other one? And doing KYC doesn't require any risk. Trading, obviously, there's volume attached to that, but the rest of them you can get free crypto. So it is definitely pretty cool, but we'll talk more about BYDFI later on. There's also a way you can earn over 2K, which is very cool. But moving forward here, you guys know the coin market cap pretty much is going to just show the correction here. We're at 36 yet again on the Fear and Greed Index. It has been a very long time. I don't know if you guys noticed here, but even after the halving, one of the most anticipated things in the market here, we thought that would be enough for the correction to take, for a reversal to take place. No, markets have been so stagnant. Crypto has been so stagnant, and I think a lot of this has to do with the fact that the economy is in the gutter right now. Even though the stock market is at all-time highs, the economy itself is we're getting screwed out there. Everybody's, rents through the roof, insurance through the roof. Groceries, bills, gas, everything is extremely high and expensive, and the cost of living is very out of control right now. And that's causing people to not have extra cash or to be focusing on these commodities, like these investment things. Majority of the market is not focused on Bitcoin. Bitcoin cryptocurrency is pretty much a market that people with just spare money have to play around with the markets here. And because money's tight right now, the focus is off of cryptocurrency. And we're seeing that result now within a continued, could even be an artificially manipulated market here, but a market that has been manipulated nonetheless. And most of these cryptocurrencies are in the red and they're falling. I mean, everything across the week is down double digits. Pretty much every single crypto is in red, down double digits. And that's causing these markets to fall lower. You can see, we had a huge drop. Now, this wasn't a surprise. Like I did say, we were at a peak here and there's a good chance correction was going to happen. Like you could see right here, each time the markets hit this kind of blue band, we kind of expected correction as we've had these huge sell-offs. And then we had the first time ever, a weekly candle closed us above resistance here. So we thought correction would take place, and it's not exactly what happened. I would like to include it. It's possible. I can include it like this. I just don't know if it's accurate yet. I'm not entirely sure. I could leave it like that. I could pull it lower. I'd love to hear your opinion on it. I don't know, so I'm going to leave it how I had it before. But even with that, correction took place and we're falling to the downside here. Jumping to the daily, you can see how it almost doesn't seem that out of place here as we're still forming this next symmetrical triangle. We've had these form quite a bit in the past here. Another symmetrical triangle for XRP, another one right here. So this is now the third one taking place. Not a surprise. It's a continued movement here. These continue to form consistently. This one's a little bit longer, but forming nonetheless. And I do think we're at a bottom now. So I do think come next week, now would be an opportunity to buy in and long. Like after a major correction, after a major dump in the market here, there's a very solid chance reversal to the upside will take place. I mean, look at the last time we did this. We had a major dump right here and we rallied up. Major dump right here. Good chance there'll be a continued rally come the next couple of days moving forward. It is Friday, so we'll see if that even happens today. But I do think now, finally, markets have some movement left in them. They could see reversals to the upside. Markets at 36 on the fear and greed. It's definitely a good time to consider markets to reverse. Obviously, we'll do all these trades when the time comes on BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BYDFI has XRP to leverage trade too, which is incredible. But besides that, you can do market orders, stop and limit orders, take profits and stop losses here. They are trigger stop losses as well, which is super cool. That means you can keep moving your stop loss higher to lock in guaranteed gains, which is awesome if you ask me. But on top of that too, they have a demo trading account right here and then a welcome rewards bonus. So aside from being able to receive $300 in free cryptocurrency, you can earn over $2,888 in free cryptocurrency as well by literally completing these tasks that they have all here. Make sure to check them out. Link down in the description below. These are for people that maybe already have BYDFI accounts for months or for people that just sign up. So it's very cool. I highly recommend you check that out. They also have a demo trading account here, which gives you $50,000 in Monopoly money, demo money to test your skills. This means you could practice leverage trading completely free, and then you can use that bonus money when you're ready on the live trading account, and all the profit you earn off the bonus money, you can withdraw completely free. Obviously, there's risk if you use your own crypto, but if you use the bonus money, like you see here, USDT wallet will use your money, but if you go to bonus money, like I have $130 in bonus money, I could use the bonus wallet money to trade around with. I could leverage that bonus money and I could be trading around with $1,500 off the 13x leverage. I mean, we go even further, you can see how we can get even more money to be leveraged, which is very cool. So there's a lot to be used around on here, which I highly recommend. You can see, look at that, up to 1,600. I think if we push it further, I click confirm, you can see now that we're using $2,500. So literally $100 in bonus money can give you the power to trade $2,500 worth of cryptocurrency. Now, obviously 20x leverage, it's not terribly high, but it is high. But that shows you that a little goes a long way when it comes to that bonus money. So figure you have $200 in bonus money, you'd be trading around with close to 5K in value leverage trading, which is very cool. And again, you lose it, so be it. It's not your money to lose, which is very cool. So make sure to check out BYDFI down in the description below. They are completely free to use. And beyond that, here you can see a lot of these other cryptocurrencies look to be bottoming out. I mean, this is interesting, almost like there's a somewhat of a support here. Maybe I'll jump to the daily again on Solana here. Draw something like this. You can see 1, 2, 3 as we head up. Very interesting. This might allow us to climb higher here. But I do think reversals across the board are pretty much due for a lot of these cryptocurrencies. Like they've all pretty much bottomed out now. They've all had a major sell-off, major correction to the downside, and now it's time that we start to recover. And that's what I'm most excited for here. Same thing with Ethereum. Like Ethereum, for the most part, looks like it's bottomed off. We could just ever so slightly tweak that. And this typically is what happens. We hit there, and then we're going to start our ascent to the upside. So I think across the board, all these cryptocurrencies look good for a potential swing or a potential reversal to the upside here, including the stock market. Like everything has had that correction already, and now it's time that we start to see some movements to the upside, which could happen as early as this weekend, if not into next week. So definitely keep your eyes peeled on these markets. Stay tuned. Smash that like button though, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.